Hi, my name's Olivia.
Stop.
If you want to see this makeup look, then keep watching every time if you want to.
So, hi everyone. This is my daughter, Olivia Marie. This is my middle child. She just turned 6 last week on June 22nd. And I have the same exact face and the same exact outfit that I had on. Oh, nip slit. No, I'm just kidding. I had the same exact outfit that I have on, same exact beat, because we were supposed to go to gymnastics class and it got canceled 25 minutes before we were supposed to be there. So needless to say, she was upset. So I offered to do some, a little bit of little kid makeup on her. So that's the reason why she's here.
Hi guys, let's get started.
Oh yeah.
Okay, first we're going to do my makeup, and we're going to just do my eyes and my lips. We're not doing foundation because it's too messy, because I don't have boo-boos, only my mom does, and my mom's right here. So let's get started,
Yo, she played me. She said I only do foundations because I got boo-boos on my face. Yo, her low-key hurt my feelings. Like, these kids be having no chill.
I want golden.
Golden like me?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's get started.
Oh yeah, let's get started.
Okay, first we're adding that. I don't know what that really is.
It's called glitter primer.
That's glitter primer.
It's
Okay,
like sticky,
if
so
you
the glitter
want
sticks
to
it.
watch this, we're going to go ahead, and my mom just starting for me, and I picked golden like her, because I love golden so much. Okay.
Close this eyes, baby. As you can tell, my daughter is not shy, guys. I'm more shy on camera than she is.
I'm not shy.
Back up, girl. You all
I
aggressive
am.
on camera. Whereas Livy, she watches all these kid shows, so she thinks she got her own little YouTube channel. Hold this for me, mommy. Hold it just like that.
This is going to be, if you open your eye, or you do the same thing, you're not supposed to open your eye because it's going to be a little bit glitter in your eye and it hurts really bad. So don't open your eye. Listen what your mom says.
Listen to what your mom says?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome, Liv. She definitely gonna be on my channel again, guys. My daughter is so dope. She my best friend. Right, bestie?
Yeah.
Just,
If you like this video, you can watch it again, or someone else can if you don't want to watch it.
Livy, you a mess.
I'm not a mess.
You hilarious. You backing me up. Alright. I'm gonna just turn you just a tiny bit.
Listen what your mom says.
Listen to what your mom says, because your mom's always right. Right?
Yeah.
I'm always right, right?
Mm-hmm.
Even when I'm
And
wrong.
if she's married. Yeah.
Livy, why are you telling all my personal business? They know I'm married.
And then wait till your glitter dries, so it's not dropping all down on your clothes or your pants or your shorts or your shirt or your feet, because that's being dirty. Do this on me before I like it.
Oh, she want me to swatch her. This is how you know she's the daughter of a hairstylist and makeup artist. Oh, that's cute, Livy. Show them your swatch. Ooh. I like that. Alright, so look. Just stay still. Oh. Alright, close your mouth. Oh!
It's not because of this.
Dang, I messed that joint up. Why are you so picky, Liv?
Hi, my name is Olivia. I'm glad you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like it. You can watch me on this video again if you want to, and just find Olivia. I will type the address just to my name on the computer if you have a tablet, a Kindle, or a phone, but you don't really have a phone because you're a little kid.
Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Have a nice day.